Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar cookies with icing using an easy method. First, ensure your butter is softened, not melted, for the best dough consistency. Cream the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy, then beat in the egg and vanilla extract. Gradually add your dry ingredients, mixing until just combined to avoid tough cookies. Remember, overmixing is the enemy of tender sugar cookies. Once your dough is chilled, roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/4 inch thick. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create fun shapes, then carefully transfer them to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them until the edges are lightly golden, typically for 8 to 10 minutes. Let them cool completely on a wire rack before even thinking about icing them. Now for the fun part, the icing. For a simple glaze, whisk together powdered sugar, a splash of milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. You can adjust the consistency by adding more sugar for a thicker icing or a few drops more milk for a thinner one. Once your cookies are completely cool, spread or pipe the icing on them. Let the icing set before stacking to prevent smudging. For best results, store your beautifully decorated sugar cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days. If you want to get creative, divide your icing and add different food colorings for a variety of vibrant designs. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers, plus other great deals to help with your kitchen adventures. Enjoy your delicious homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.